Hi, I'm James Ferreira from AppMaker University, where we believe anyone can build an app. And today I'm going to show you just how easy that is by using AppMaker to build a data-driven web application. It's going to be a lot of fun, and it's only going to take 5 minutes, so let's get started.
We'll get started today by creating a new blank application. First thing we'll do is rename it Getting Started. Now let's open the Widgets panel and select a label widget. Drag it out onto the canvas. We can use the Properties editor on the right-hand side to change the text of the label. To change the style of the label, we use the Variant dropdown. As we scroll through, you can see the text changing. Let's move the text over and snap it to the top part of the grid. Let's see what this looks like by clicking the Preview button. We do have to grant some access, and there you have it, a running web application. Back in the editor, it's time to create a data model. We can do that by clicking in the lower right on the plus key and selecting Data Model. We're going to use a Google Drive table for this one. We'll give it a name, Users, and then click Create. To add fields to our model, we click the Add New Field button. We'll select String. This one we'll call Name, and when we tab, it's going to automatically set that as our display name. We'll add another new field, also a string, and this one we will call Location. Tab, and now we've created two fields in our data model. Close that up, and let's move back over to our page. We're going to click here in the gray area of the page to select the whole entire page, and then we'll go and scroll down to Data Sources, and we're going to select the Users model that we just created. Now we'll open the Widgets panel again and drag out a form. Just drop it here, and you'll notice that it already inherited the users as the database. We'll click Next, and then Finish, accepting all the defaults here. Let's also drag out a table on here so we can see all the data at one time that's in our data model that we're saving there. Drop it right there. Again, it's already inherited the users. We don't have to do anything. We want to edit the data in the table. So let's select this box here, and then we'll click Finish. We'll do just a little bit of sizing on the table so that it matches the form, and then we'll click Preview. Here's our web app. We click the Create button, and now we can type in a name and a location. And you'll notice that when we hit the Tab key, it's saving that data directly into the database. We don't have to hit any save buttons or anything like that. Create another record, and same thing here. You can see that it's just automatically updating every time we move out of the field that we're typing in. And you notice that we can also edit directly on the table right here. We can click the navigation buttons at the bottom to navigate from record to record, or just click in the table. Back in the editor, let's add one more feature to our app. We'll scroll down the Widgets panel and we'll select a Google map. Drop it right here on the canvas. And we're going to need to set its address. We click in the field right below the address, and then we select Location from the drop-down menu. We're going to click Preview again and see how our app works. Move this out of the way. And notice that the map is already loaded with Mountain View there at the center of the map. And when we change the record, that map automatically updates for us. Pretty slick. If we click in the table, that'll change the map. And then let's just change this data here. We'll type in a new city. In this case, we'll type in Albuquerque. And then when we hit enter, it's going to automatically update that map because everything's bound together.
So there you have it. In just over 5 minutes, we've created an entire data-driven application complete with Google Maps integration. I hope you can see how easy it is using AppMaker to build applications. Please check out our full training series at appmakeruniversity.com.